So you look up, right? And
then the
skies are moving, but you're staring up at the sky. It looks like it's falling backward on you.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that is crazy.
Every place we go that says, oh, we have mountain goats. We have mountain goats everywhere. We never see them. This is the first time, and guess where we're at? A zoo.
I've heard that the dads are the heroes of the emu family.
They take care of all the kids.
Oh. Thank you for spinning around and giving us the whole tour.
Aptly named town, Sioux Falls. We're on the falls.
Show them the falls.
Oh yeah, stop looking at my face.
After 4 months without our trailer Casper and no idea when it would be fixed, we decided to leave Maine for Washington. We would be spending the holidays with Chris's family, and while we hoped to be traveling with our home, it just wasn't meant to be. So we traveled across the U.S. the old-fashioned way, by using hotels.
It's you I'm looking for. These days turn into longer nights, but nothing's stopping me. 'Cause I've seen what I'm heading to. You know that I believe, yeah, it's you.
All right, so we're in day 3. Day 3.
Day 3 of driving.
Yeah, we are just left leaving North Canton, Ohio, to head toward Elkhart,
Indiana.
So you want to hear a funny story? This is cute. So we knew driving across the United States in November it would be cold in certain areas. When I left Maine, it was like 24, 32, something like that. It's 24 at night. So we're like, yeah, it's probably gonna be cold. And then as we're pulling into Ohio yesterday, I'm like, man, it's 68 degrees. And then we looked at the thing and said, wow, it's supposed to be 72. But she had looked at Sioux Falls,
South Dakota,
where we're gonna be staying in a couple days for about 5 days, right? And she said the high is 7. It gets down to -5 at night. I'm like, holy crap. We gotta get the kid in long johns and long socks. We want our son to be safe and warm. So last night we get in, we go look at a couple of RVs, and then we go to Walmart, and this kid gets 2 sets of long johns, a pack of warm socks. We're like, all right, okay, we're feeling good. I think we're ready for those 7-degree temperatures. And then last night, sitting in the hotel room, she pulls up, she's like, hey, what's the temperature supposed to be here tomorrow morning? And I'm looking at it, and I'm like, well, it hasn't come up yet. She goes, 15? I'm like, how's it gonna be 15? It's still 60 degrees outside. She had her phone on Celcius. So we rechecked the weather in Sioux Falls. Yeah, it's gonna be in the 60s.
Not like the whole time. There is a snowflake on there, so it will snow.
Right, this weekend, coming up weekend, it's gonna drop down to like 40. But it's not gonna be -5 at night and 7 degrees. So check the unit of measurement that your phones are set
It's
to.
because I added Sioux Falls to my weather app so that I would know, and I accidentally hit the button. Because I was like, we checked Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and I was like, wow, they're gonna have a cold spell. No, it's gonna be in the 70s and 80s. Our journey would take us 3,000 miles in just under 30 days. Plenty of time to get across the country and see some amazing sights.
Miles and miles to go. I'm just traveling home with miles to go. When I think I've had enough, the future feels so far. I'll take any road that comes to get to where you are. 'Cause it's you, babe. It's you I'm looking for. Miles and miles to go. Miles and miles to go.
there we were, just cruising through Minnesota, thinking we're just gonna go straight to Sioux Falls, South Dakota.
Check into our Airbnb and be done.
And then we see this sign that says, hey, come see our 60-foot tall Jolly Green Giant.
In Blue Earth, Minnesota.
So why not? You could see him from the road, but we're gonna go see him close up.
Oh, he's not ugly. He's green.
He's a handsome Jolly Green Giant.
He likes vegetables.
That's why he's so green.
Yep. He wears a size 78 shoe. He's made of plexiglass. He's 8,000 pounds. And he's 55.5 feet tall.
But how big is his smile?
48 inches.
How much do you think it costs to make?
$43,000.
Man!
You're green. Is it because of the green?
Yeah, it's
sky?
reflecting off of him.
Okay.
Wow! That's cool. Man, would you stare up?
Yeah, that's why I was like, I can't do that anymore. I got sick.
Because so you look up, right? And
But then the sky's
the
moving.
skies are moving, but you're staring up at the sky. It looks like he's falling backward on you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that is crazy. Well, that's a fine how do you do. We really haven't made many stops on this drive across America, so this was kind of one of those weird things. Yeah, we might as well do it. I was really hoping that the store would be open. I wanted to see if I could get an outfit like that. Susanna's always said that she wanted to see me in kind of like a caveman loincloth thing. Why not with leaves?
We'd missed South Dakota in 2019, so we decided to spend over 2 weeks exploring the sites and finding new adventures. Our first long stop after days of travel would be in Sioux Falls, which turned out to be much colder than we thought.
So we are in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and leaving our Airbnb, which is actually pretty nice. And we're heading down the road to I think it's the Great Plains Zoo. Just the zoo.
It's snowing.
Yeah, it snowed yesterday. It was supposed to get 3 to 5 inches, and it seems like it's more like 8.
Yeah, it's a lot.
So it's right now. I think it's like what 30, maybe 30.
22.
What? That says 22. It's 28. My watch says 28. So anyway, it's cold, and what better way to get out and enjoy the weather than by walking around and looking at animals? So the Japanese macaws, the snow monkeys that they have here at the zoo, we've seen in Nagano. Yeah, in their beautiful hot tubs. So maybe there's going to be some here. Be nice to see. Oh, they do. They've got a little hot tub over here. Is he making a snowball? Oh, he's eating the snow. Corbin.
Come here, Corbin. He's eating the snow. This guy. This guy.
See him?
Oh, yeah.
Don't eat the yellow snow.
I know.
I think this is the first time that we've ever had a zoo basically to ourselves.
Yeah, and in the winter. We don't typically go. I haven't been to a zoo in the winter since
Boise?
Idaho.
Yeah, Boise.
Yeah.
You have a fine mountain.
I've been trying to see mountain goats for like a year now. Every place we go that says, oh, we have mountain goats. We have mountain goats everywhere. We never see them. This is the first time, and guess where we're at? A zoo.
I really like how you strut.
Well, he's the dad. He's the hero of the emu family.
I've heard that the dads are the heroes of the emu
They
family.
take care of all the kids.
Oh.
The women are the, she's not a hero. She lays
Oh.
the eggs and walks off.
She looks like she's a little vain. She's just staring at herself in the picture. There's the singing dog. These would not be a good animal to have in an RV.
Are you cold? You're awful cute.
Definitely.
Hello. I seriously, I want to take you home. I had no clue these guys were here. Did you know that there are more than 1 million camels roaming throughout Australia?
These are huge. You know that? You're very big. You should be proud of it. I mean, look at how tall you are. You have wonderful humps. So fluffy.
No.
Oh, it appears to be snowing again. Or is that just falling off the tree?
That's just the kid throwing stuff.
Come on.
Oh, it's warm but quite stinky. Look at the tails on these guys.
Wow, look at their tails, Corbin. Oh. The guy up top, he's like, hey, ladies.
I know, he's even got his legs crossed.
Yep.
So this is up to the African savanna, right, Susanna?
Yep.
Hello. Oh, look at your ears. You're like my canine brethren. Look at those.
Look, they're excited to see us, Corbin.
They were. That's kind of cool. So just like zebras, each animal's coat is its own distinctive pattern. No two are the same. Look at you.
Who is this?
This is Amara, female.
And what is the neat fact that she found out?
Oh, the zookeepers have to carry away a ton of poo every week. Dung.
2,000 pounds of
Dung
poo.
from here.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, she's getting up. Hi. Hello, lady. Look at you. You're pretty. Who's a pretty girl? Hi.
Thank you for spinning around and giving us the whole tour.
Magpie has the golden patch underneath her chin.
Look at you. You're awesome. Yeah. Talking about you. You're the best. Come on down. Come here. Come say hi. What's up, man? Wow. Still going?
Look at you. Hi. You guys are so friendly. All the animals here are super friendly.
So far, we've only seen one other person at the zoo. One. So maybe a good zoo tip would be go on a weekday in the winter, around lunchtime. Well, the Boise Zoo was always packed.
It was, yeah.
Yeah. I guess go during a pandemic. Yeah. The snow leopard is right here. See?
And the snow leopard's paws have been right here.
There's probably a tasty looking kid just standing right there. And...
Oh. Look at you. You look cold. Would you like my gloves?
It kind of looks like it wants to pounce on your face right now.
I think so.
All right. Most people don't know this, but goats are experts in camouflage. You see how he blends into the wall? Oh. Look at the size of your horns. Those are impressive, sir. Very impressive.
We totally didn't go to the red panda section.
Look at that. Yeah, look at those things.
The red panda's over there.
This is why you heard the rubbing. Look at the size of him. He's
You got an itch? Or are you trying to make them super sharp?
you can impale small children that come in to pet them.
On the outside though.
Normally when we see the red panda, he's hiding or sleeping. Just like that.
Pandas are kind of weird. Did you know that they turn white if they don't eat enough shrimp?
I did not.
What?
Where did you learn that at?
Say that again?
Wildcats. Did you know that flamingos turn white if they don't even eat enough shrimp?
All right, so every type of zebra has its own butt. We start like that's our favorite butt. It's our favorite animal butt, right? It's the zebra butt. Mm-hmm. And we never knew that each the species, genus, whatever, has a unique butt. Mm-hmm. Huh. You can tell a lot about a zebra by his butt. Hey, a moose. So we should have come out on a different day?
Yeah. Well, there wasn't really a different day. It's cold.
Well,
it's been cold since we got here.
Yeah, we're actually at the Sioux Falls in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Our last day here, which we didn't really do anything besides go to the zoo, so we figured we better come out and see the falls. And wow!
It's a little nippy.
Yeah, the other day the temperature was lower, but the wind chill today is up there.
It's breezy.
Yeah. But beautiful falls.
Very nice.
Aptly named town, Sioux Falls, around the falls.
Show them the falls.
Oh yeah, stop looking at my face. You're gonna do what?
I'm gonna put a hole in the ice down there.
Okay.
Hey, once more.
Oh my. It's not that. The sun is in the mirror.
It's looking like a parrot.
How's his undercarriage?
Oh, God. Screen.
Well, he's got a flat butt like me.
Yeah.
So these, here, let's go right here. Right there. The Japanese macaws? Snow monkeys?
Uh-huh.
How's that finding you?
Yeah.
Oh, she's peeing. And he just tasted the pee. Are you checking to see if she's diabetic?
Thank you for watching. We'd love to share our journey with you. So hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you know when a new video is uploaded. And don't forget to leave your comments down below and hit the like button.